Hey folks, Nick here with SONCO.
You know, we talk a lot about crowd control, but it doesn't matter how good the steel is if you can't set it up right. So today, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to lock in your SONCO concert barricade line. You'll need a power drill or ratchet wrench to make assembly easier.
All right, step 1, start flat. Lay the barrier down on the ground so the base is stable. From there, you're going to lift that vertical plate up until it locks into position. Now, you're going to lay the barrier on its side,
giving you access to the connection points. Here's where the hardware comes in. Grab your connector pins. You've got the single hole pin and the M6 socket head cap screw.
Slide them in to lock the panels together. That's the mechanical connection that keeps everything tight. Once the pins are in, align the barriers. Make sure they're straight and flush. You don't want gaps, and you don't want them fighting each other.
A straight line looks professional and works better.
Last physical step, secure the connection. Take that M10 hex bolt set, run it through the side, and tighten it down with the nut and washer. This is the set it and forget it part. Once these are torqued down, that barrier isn't going anywhere.
We've got a full set of concert barricades for a complete event setup, available in gray or black.
Barriers with cable paths, different corner pieces that create perfect 90-degree angles, and even gate barriers perfect for authorized staff passage.
But the setup is the same for all of them. It's a system designed to get your line up fast.
Whether you're at a stadium or at an open area, a secure setup is non-negotiable.
And that is all for now. Thanks for tuning in, and if you need any gear, just let us know.